In this video, I am going to show you how to stop your YouTube TV free trial from auto-renewing into a paid subscription. To avoid being charged, it's important to cancel the auto-renewal before the trial period ends. Start by logging into your YouTube TV account on a computer or mobile device. Go to the Settings menu and select Membership. From there, click on Cancel Membership and follow the prompts to confirm your decision. You may be asked to provide feedback about why you're canceling. This step is optional. Once canceled, you'll still have access to YouTube TV until the end of the trial period, but your account won't be billed when the trial ends. If you subscribed through an app store like Google Play or Apple App Store, you'll need to manage the subscription through their respective settings instead. Double-check your email for a confirmation message to ensure the cancellation was successful. If this video helped you stop your YouTube TV free trial auto-renewal, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.